In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Invoice in Zoho Books, step by step. This is a quick, straightforward task, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can avoid common pitfalls and feel confident as you go. First, open Zoho Books and look to the left sidebar. Click on Sales, then choose Invoices. This takes you to the central list of all your invoices, where you can see their numbers, dates, amounts, and statuses like draft, sent, or paid. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the specific invoice you want to remove. Double-check details, such as the customer name and amount, so you're absolutely sure you found the right one. This matters because deletion is permanent and can't be undone. Once you've found the invoice you want to delete, select it by ticking the checkbox next to it on the left. You can select just one invoice, or choose multiple if you're cleaning up more than one at a time. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct item. If you don't see the checkbox, or if it's grayed out, that can mean the invoice is tied to a payment, credit note, or another transaction that prevents deletion, or it could be a permissions issue. In those cases, the system may restrict deleting, and you may need the appropriate access or to resolve linked records before the option becomes available. With the checkbox selected, look to the top of the list, where a toolbar appears. Click Delete. Zoho Books will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the selected invoice. Read the prompt carefully because this action removes the invoice from your records. If you need to keep a reference, consider saving a PDF or noting key details beforehand. When you're sure, confirm the deletion. The invoice disappears from the list, and you're done. And there you go. That's all. To recap, you go to Sales, open Invoices, check the box next to the invoice you want to remove, and hit Delete at the top. Keep an eye on permissions and linked transactions, and always verify you're deleting the correct record. With that, you've successfully deleted an invoice in Zoho Books quickly and cleanly.